Guess what?
What?
Sarah is on steroids.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Becca, Sarah is on steroids.
I care why.
I know she wanted me to tell you and record your face.
Is she sick?
Yeah, she has bronchitis. She has to take a bunch of medication and she could be loopy.
So, are you doped up right now? Because if you are, listen closely. Sarah, come back. We've been looking for you. We don't know where you are.
I know where she is.
We're all worried about you. Even the second block teacher, even like, where's Sarah? Where's Sarah? Nobody knows where Sarah is.
I do.
It is scary. Shut up. You don't know. So if you can hear me, come home. Because we miss you. I told you not to get in the pedophiles van with the pretty puppies, but what you want to do? You wanted the pretty puppies and manga books. And he say, you come with me, little girl. You get little manga books and stuff. What you gonna do?
Get in the van?
You get in the van. I said, no, you ain't my daddy, and that puppy's not even real. It's stuffed. Who the hell stuffs a baby puppy?
I do.
Yeah, coming from the girl with the naked date era in the freaking car. I mean, yeah. In a cage, my bad. Anyways, Christina's bitching right now about her shoulder. I hope it hurts all day long because of this shit.
It is.
Get off the steroids. We all miss you. It wasn't worth it. You're not going to become governor of California like Arnold Schwarzenegger, okay? We love you. Come home. Look at Harley's hair.
Yeah. Hey Harley, guess what?
What?
Sarah's on steroids.
What's she on steroids for?
Her bronchitis.
Oh, she's got bronchitis.
Yeah. See, they don't miss you at all, except for her. She's been crying for an hour. Harley's neutral at this moment.
I'm just indifferent about the whole thing. I thought you were home because of the whole, you feel pains when you're on your period.
See? Nah.
Wait, are you on your period?
No,
Well,
she ain't.
sometimes she has these problems where the cramps will be so bad that she just can't stand it, and I can't explain it because I don't have that problem. She does. I don't get cramps no more. I mean, sometimes I think I will, but I don't.
How did this conversation turn from Sarah to freaking time of the month?
Anyway,
Sarah puts time
I used to have a problem to where it hurt so badly I had to go home, but it just went away.
It'll get mad.
After a while, it's called age.
Mine's change every year. This year I'm starting to have cramps again, and get that off of camera. It's personal.
No one cares.
Are you putting this on YouTube?
No. I'm not.
You better not. Anyways, come home. We miss you.
This ain't home.
Shut up. Come to school. We miss you. I know it's hell, but
Come back to hell.
you're coming from the girl with the whole entire, I don't know, werewolf obsession, the nasty ass.
Hey, I actually like werewolves, damn it.
Not the way she makes them.
Actually, I like the way she's making them. They're funny.
That's not funny.
Yes, it is.
What the hell?
It's inbred.
Hey, Touchy.
Inbred.
I have Didara. You can't have him. I claimed him.
Ooh, Date Era?
Yeah, I claimed him. He's mine.
Oh my god, Date Era's like so dead.
No, he ain't.
Yes, he is. He dies in the manga.
Bullshit.
He blows himself up.
He blows himself up.
Actually, no, he comes back.
Well, that's because he's actually still undead.
That's only because of plot no jutsu.
Not no jutsu.
Retarded shit. Swear to God, retarded shit. All retarded.
Wow, I have
Great.
like 4 problems.
I gotta turn the camera off because my shoulder's about to hurt.
Page 28, 5 through
Bye.